Hello everyone. Today in this video you will learn how to find the union of the two sets. Second thing, how to find intersection of two sets. Third, to find the difference of two sets. And fourth is to find the complement of a set. So let's begin our class. So first topic is to find the union of two sets. So union of two sets. So what is this union of two sets? It is a set in which all the elements belong to either first set or second set or to both. What I said? It is a set in which all the elements belong to either first set or to second set or to both the sets, first and second. Let's take one example. Suppose A set is given 1, 2, 3. Another set B is given 3, 4, 5 and 6. In order to find A union B, you have to use this symbol A union B. This is the symbol for union. So A union B, A value is 1, 2, 3. Union B value is 3, 4, 5 and 6. So according to definition, what is the union? It is a set in which all the elements belong to either first one or to second one or to both. So what you have to do here, we have to write all the elements of first set also, second sets also, and those elements which are coming in both, that also. Suppose I have taken a 1, 2, 3 and from another set 3, 4, 5, 6. 3 we had already written, so no need to write it again. 4, 5 and 6. So this is the answer of A union B. Now you can check it. 1 is coming in either A set or in B set. So here it is coming in A. 2 is also coming in either A or B. In A it is coming. 3 also it is coming either A or B. 3 is coming in both. So what is the definition of union? It is a set in which all the elements belong to either A set or to B set, or those elements will belong to both the sets. So definition is sets in which all the elements belong to either A set or B set or both the set. So such sets are called union. Now second topic is intersection of two sets. Our second topic is intersection. Intersection of two sets. It is a set in which all the elements belong to both set A and B. Here either A or B will not be there. Here it will be both set A and B. The set in which all the elements belong to both first set also and to second set. So how we will represent A intersection B? This symbol we have to use for intersection. So A intersection B, A value is 1, 2, 3. Intersection B value is 3, 4, 5 and 6. So A intersection B answer will be that answer in which all the elements will belong to both A and B. So which element is coming in both A and B? 3 is coming in both A and B. That's why we will write here 3. So intersection is that set in which all the elements belong to both A also and to B also. So 3 belong to A set also and 3 belong to B set also. So this is the definition for intersection. It is a set in which all the elements belong to both the sets A and B. So set in which all the elements belong to both the sets A and B, then that set will called intersection. Now third is difference of two sets. Third one is difference. Suppose two sets are given here, A and B. We have to find difference. Difference means minus A minus B. A elements are 1, 2, 3, minus B elements 3, 4, 5 and 6. Minus B. That means out of these elements we have to subtract all these 3. So we will subtract 3. We will subtract 4. 4 is not coming. We will subtract 5. 5 is also not coming. We will subtract 6. 6 is also not coming. So what is the remaining elements here? Remaining elements are 1 and 2. So A minus B is the difference. So difference of two sets A and B is 1 and 2. So what will be the definition here? The set in which all the elements belong to A but not belong to B. You can check it. What I said? I said elements belong to A but not belong to B. You can check here. 1 and 2 belong to A but 1 and 2 does not belong to B. So what will be the definition of difference? It is a set in which all the elements belong to A but not to B. Then difference will be A minus B. If we will take B minus A, suppose if we will take B minus A, that means from B we have to subtract A. So from B we have to subtract 1, 2 and 3. So 1 we have to remove, 1 is not there. 2 we have to remove, 2 is not there. 3 we have to remove, this 3 we will remove. When we will remove 3, remaining numbers will be 4, 5 and 6. So answer of B minus A will be 4, 5 and 6. Now what will be the definition of this difference? The difference B minus A is a set in which all these 3 elements will belong to B but not belong to A. You can check it. These all 3 elements will belong to B. 4, 5 and 6. 4 is coming in B set. 5 is also coming in B. 6 is also coming in B. But these 3 elements will not belong to A set. You can check it. 4 it is not coming in A. 5 is also not coming in A. And 6 is also not coming in A. So what is the definition of this difference of two sets? So difference of two sets is the set in which all the elements belong to first set but not belong to second set. Now next one is complement. Fourth one is complement of a set. Fourth topic is complement of a set. Suppose here it is A set. A means only one set will be there. So we will take universal set 1, 2, 3 up to 10. And one set we will take only A we will take. Suppose we have taken here 1, 2, 3. Now what we have to find? We have to find the complement. Complement of A we have to find. And complement of A, how we will represent? We will represent with A dash, or we can write A C also, A complement, or we can write like this also, A bar. These are the 3 symbols which we have to use for complement. Any symbol we can use, either this one or this one or this one. Out of these 3, any one we have to use. So in order to find the A complement, you have to use one formula. A complement is equal to universal minus A. Universal value is 1, 2, 3 up to 10. Here we have taken universal is 1, 2, 3 up to 10 minus A. A elements are 1, 2 and 3. That means from universal we have to remove 1, 2 and 3. So 1 we will remove, 2 we will remove, 3 we will remove, Remaining elements are 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. And what we will observe here, these 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 are not coming in this set. And what is this set? This set is A set. So what will be the definition of A complement? A complement is the set in which all these elements belong to universal set, but these elements are not belong to this given set, that means A set. So what is the definition of complement? A complement is the set in which all the elements belong to universal but not belong to A given set. Given set is A, then we will call A. If given set will be B, then we will call B. So these are the general terms, these 4 terms that you have to remember for this exercise. Now let's start solving some question of this. Now we will solve this question. Question is, universal set is given, A, B and C. These 4 sets are given and we have to verify that this side is equal to this side. We have to prove that left hand side and right hand side are equal to each other. So first of all we will solve this universal set. Universal set is natural numbers we have to write. In the universal set what we have to write? Natural number. And here is said x is greater than 2. Equal sign is there. Equal sign means 2 also we have to take. So we will take 2 also. 2, 3, 4. Greater numbers greater than 2. So greater number we have to take. And here he said x is less than 9 and equal sign is there. Equal sign means 9 also we will take. So less than 9 and 9 also. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So these are the elements of the universal set. Now after that A set. In A set he said even numbers we have to write. So you have to remember one thing, universal set is given. So all these 3 sets answer, A, B and C answer we have to select from universal only. So A we have to write even number and all the even number we have to choose from universal. Even numbers are those which are coming in a table of 2. So we will choose from universal 2, 4, 6, 8. After that B set. B set multiple of 3. Which numbers are multiple of 3 here in the universal? 3, 6, 9. C. We have to write multiple of 4. So in the universal we have to check which elements are multiple of 4. 4 is a multiple of 4 and 8. So only 2 elements are there which are multiple of 4. Now first part is left hand side we will take. First of all we will solve left hand side. Equal to sign is here. We have to solve this much side. What is written here? A union B complement. Complement we will do later on. First of all we will find A union B. So first of all we will find A union B. A elements 2, 4, 6, 8. Union B. B elements 3, 6 and 9. So what is the definition of union? Union definition is we have to write either elements of A or elements of B, or we have to write both, either A or B or both. So either these elements or these elements, or we can write those elements which are coming in both. That means 2, 4, 6, 8, these we can write, or we can write these elements 3, 6, 9. 3 we are not written here, so 3 we will write. 6 is already over. 6 is already over, so we will not write it again. 9 is not over, so we will take 9. So these are the elements of A union B. But left hand side is A union B complement. So now we will find A union B complement. In order to find complement, you have to use the formula. Formula is we have to subtract this A union B from universal. That means universal minus A union B. So universal 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. These are the elements of universal minus A union B. A union B elements are 2, 4, 6, 8, 3, 9. These are the elements of A union B. Now out of these we have to remove these numbers. So 2 we have to remove. So no need to take 2. 4 no need to take. 6, this one also. 8 also. 3, 9. These elements we will not take. We have to remove these elements. Now what are the remaining elements here? 5 and 7. So answer of A union B complement is 5 and 7. Now we will solve right hand side. Now we will solve right hand side. What is the right hand side? A complement intersection B complement. Intersection we will find later. First of all we will find A complement. A complement. For complement we have to use formula universal minus A. Universal elements 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. These all are the elements of universal. Out of these we have to subtract A. A 2, 4, 6 and 8. These 4 numbers we will remove. 2 we will remove, 4, 6, 8. These 4 numbers we will remove. Now what are the remaining numbers? 3, 5, 7 and 9. 3, 5, 7, 9. So this is the answer of A complement. Now we will find B complement. B complement is equal to universal minus B. This will be the formula for B complement. Now universal is 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. These all are the elements of universal. Here we have written minus B. B elements are 3, 6 and 9. So we will write here 3, 6, 9. That means out of these we have to remove 3, 6 and 9. 3 we will remove, 6 and 9. These 3 elements we will remove. So what are the remaining elements? 2, 4, 5, 7, 8. So this is the answer of B complement. Now what is the right hand side? Right hand side is A complement intersection B complement. Now we will find A complement intersection B complement. So what is the answer of A complement? A complement answer is 3, 5, 7, 9. After that intersection. B complement. B complement answer is 2, 4, 5, 7. What sign is coming in between these two? A dash, A complement and B complement? Intersection sign is coming, and in intersection we have to write common elements which are coming in both A complement also and in B complement also. So which elements are coming? 2 not coming, 4 also not coming, 5 is common in both, 7 is common in both. So final answer of A complement intersection B complement is 5 and 7. So now we had solved this right hand side. Right hand side is over. Final answer of right hand side is 5, 7. Left hand side also final answer is 5 and 7. So both the answer are coming equal. So we will say from equation 1, this is equation number 1 and this is equation number 2. So what you have to write? From equation 1 and 2, left hand side is equal to right hand side. Both the sides, left side also and right hand sides also, both are equal to each other. This only we have to prove. So we will write here hence proved. So like this we have to do such questions. Now one more part is there. We will solve this second part. Now part number 2. Second part is left hand side. We will take left hand side. What is left hand side? A union B intersection C. This is the left hand side. In order to solve this left hand side, first of all we have to solve B intersection C. B intersection C answer will be B values 369, intersection C 4 and 8. Intersection is sign is coming. Intersection is common. So what is common in both? 3 not common, 6 not common, 9 not common. Nothing is common. Nothing is common. So what we will do? We will write here empty. This is the empty set. Now this part is over. Now we will find A union B intersection C. A union B intersection C. What is the value of A? 2468. Intersect union sign is coming after A. What sign is here? Union. After union B intersection C, and B intersection C answer is empty set. So here also we will write empty set. Union means in between these two brackets union sign is coming. Union means either first set's element we have to write, or we have to write B set element, or both. So we will take these elements also 2, 4, 6, 8. We will take these elements also, but here no element is there. That means final answer of these union will be 2, 4, 6, 8. Now left hand side is solved. We will assume this is equation number 1. Now we will solve right hand side RHS. Left hand side is over now. Now we will solve RHS. RHS is this. In this, first of all you have to find A union B. A union B means A values 2, 4, 6, 8. Union B value. B values 3, 6 and. So in union what you have to do? In union we have to write both sets, A also and B also, and all those elements also which are coming in both. So 2, 4, 6, 8. All the 4 elements will be there. These 3 will also be there. 3 not over. So we will write 3. 6 over. So no need to write again. 9 not over. So we will write it. So this is the answer of A union B. Now A union C. A value 2, 4, 6, 8. Union C. C is 4 and 8. Union means this set also and this set also we have to write. So 2, 4, 6, 8. After that 4 and 8 are coming, but 4 and 8 are already over, so no need to write again. This is the answer of A union C. Now in the right hand side between these two intersection is coming. So now we will find A union B intersection A union C. A union B answer is 2, 4, 6, 8, 3, 9. After that intersection. After intersection A union C. A union C answer is 2, 4, 6, 8. So in between these two sets intersection sign is coming. So for intersection what you have to do? You have to find common. So which elements are common? 2 is common, 4, 6, 8. So common elements are 2, 4, 6 and 8. So now right hand side we had solved. So this is equation number 2. In equation 1 2, 4, 6, 8 answer is coming. In equation 2 2, 4, 6, 8 answer is coming. So from equation 1 and 2 we can say left hand side answer is equal to right hand side answer, hence true. Like this you have to do such questions. Now see one more question. Question is A set is given, B set is given. First part is we have to find A union B. So first part we have to find A union B. A elements are 3, 4, 5. Union B elements 5, 6, 7, 8. So in union what we have to do? We have to write the elements of both the sets A also and of B. So 3, 4, 5. 5 we had already taken, so no need to write again. 6, 7, 8. So this is the solution of first part. Second part, A intersection B. A elements 3, 4, 5. Intersection B elements 5, 6, 7, 8. So in intersection, what we have to do? We have to find the common element. What is common in both? 5 is common in both the elements. So final answer of this part is 5. Now third part. Third part is A minus B. So from A elements, that means 3, 4, 5, we have to remove B elements 5, 6, 7, 8. From these numbers, we have to remove all the 4 numbers. 5 we will remove, 6 not there, 7 also not there, 8 also not there. So final answer of these A minus B will be 3 and 4, because which elements are remaining here? 3 and 4 are remaining. That's why answer of A minus B will be 3 and 4. Now fourth part. Fourth part is B minus A. In B we have to write 5, 6, 7, 8 minus A. A elements are 3, 4 and 5. We have to remove 3, 4 and 5. 3 is not there, 4 is not there, 5 is there. 5 we will remove. What are the remaining elements here in this set? Remaining elements are 6, 7 and 8. So this is the answer of B minus A. Now next part is we have to verify that A union A is equal to A. So what you have to do? Verification. First part. A union A is equal to A. Left hand side we will take. Left hand side. What is written? A union A. A elements 3, 4 and 5. Union. After union what is written? A elements. So A elements we will write here 3, 4 and 5. In the union we have to write the elements of both the sets. So here it is written 3, 4 and 5. That one also 3, 4 and 5. So no need to write it again. This is the answer of A union A. Now what is A? A is 3, 4 and 5. So we can say that these answers are the elements of 3, 4 and 5. Answer of A union A we had find. Answer is coming 3, 4 and 5. Now you will write, another method is you can do like this. Right hand side you have to write. What is right hand side? Right hand side is A. Right hand side is A and answer of A is 3, 4 and 5. Answer of A is 3, 4 and 5. This is equation 1. This is equation 2. From equation 1 and 2, left hand side is equal to right hand side. Hence proved. So like this you have to do this part. Now next part is second part of verification. A union phi. It is phi. Phi means null set. This is null, or we can say it is empty set. So A union phi. What is this? This is left hand side. So what are the elements of A? 3, 4 and 5. Union phi. Phi, or it is empty set. Empty set means nothing we have to write here. It is empty set. Now union sign is coming. Union means this elements also and that elements also. So what elements are coming here? Here 3, 4 and 5 are coming, but in this set no element is there. So answer of A union null set empty set is 3, 4 and 5. Now we will solve right hand side. Right hand side is A. Right hand side is A and answer of A is 3, 4 and 5. Left hand side answer equation 1. Right hand side answer equation 2. So we can say from equation 1 and 2, answer of 1 is 3, 4, 5. Answer of 2 equation is also 3, 4, 5. So from equation 1 and 2 we can say left hand side is equal to right hand side. Like this you have to do these questions. One more part is there. See this last part also. Last part is third part. A intersection phi is equal to phi. Left hand side we will take first. Left hand side is A intersection empty set. So A elements 3, 4 and 5 intersection. After intersection what is written here? Empty set. In the empty set elements will not be there. So we will write here, we will make empty bracket. Now what symbol is coming is in between? Intersection. Intersection means common. So here it is written 3, 4, 5. Here no element is written. So since here no element is written, how we will find which elements are common? We will not be able to find the answer if which elements are common in this, because here no element is there. So we will not be able to find. So the answer of this left hand side will be empty set. Now right hand side. What is right hand side here? Right hand side is phi, and phi means empty set, so no element will be there. So from equation 1 and 2 we got the answer that left hand side and right hand side are equal to each other, because left hand side is also an empty set and right hand side is also an empty set. So in this way you have to do such questions.